Well. Welcome back, guys, for the second puzzle. Four Stars Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 12th, 2024. We have three puzzles left. One puzzle is done. This one is a hard one. We have a binary, Jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested. Well, Four Stars Sudoku number 9263. 24 printed digits this one has. And for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6. 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4. 6. With a 2. Need a 2 there. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2. 5. Okay. Need a 1 here. Okay. 4. This column we need a 4. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this big square, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the last row, no 4 there. The only place level 4 should be there. I need a 5 in this column. We have a 5 in this big square, no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left, 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Need 6 here. Alright. I need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these two boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3. Now only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left 5 should be there. 5. Need a 1, need an 8 and a 2. No 8 here. 8. And I need a 3 missing numbers. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 178, and look, we have 1 and 8 in this row. No 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, so 1 that's left should be the 7. Yeah. Need a 7, need a 3, and I need a 8. Well, good luck. Need a 5 here. Oh, one of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these two boxes. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And I need 3. 3 could be everywhere. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, no, need 2 places, level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6, there's 6 should be here. 6, 6. Need a 7, need a 8, need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. Well, 3, 3, need a 3 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, and 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, need a 6 there. I need a 9 here. 9, 9, yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in the last one, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for 9 should be here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this one, no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between only 3 places level 3 should be here, here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 6, need a 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah. I need a 4 here. And I need a 2. 1, 2, 3. 3, 8, 9. Well, we need a 9 in this column. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Need a 9 here. 3, 4, 8. Well, 4 in this column, 4 in 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Need an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in this row, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Need a 3. Could be everywhere. So 2 numbers left here, the 8 and the 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. So the 4 and the 8 are left. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so this box should be a 1. This box should be an 8. So 2 numbers left, though 2 and a 1. Here we have 1, here we have 1. That means in this row we need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. Okay, 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 3. 7 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. 7, 8, 9. So the other 2 missing numbers should be there. 1 and a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We need a 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in the middle one, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here. 3, 3, need a 3 there or here. Well, we have a 3 here, so the 3 should be there. Eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and a 2, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, and 9 are missing here. Okay, here 2 numbers left, 7 and a 4. We have a 4 here, so this should be the 4, and this box should be 7. 7 and 8, we have a 7 here. This should be the 7, this box should be an 8. 1 and a 6, 7, 8, and 9. 3. I need a 7, 7, need a 7 here. 5, 5, need a 5 there or here. 6, 6, need a 6 here. And 2, 2, need a 2 here or there. And 1, 1, need a 1 here. 1, 1, 1. Okay. How about here? 1, need a 2. 3, 4, need a 5. 6, 7, 8, need a 9. Could be everywhere. Wow. How about here then? Need a 1. Need a 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. 7, need a 8. But here then? 1, 2, need a 3. Could be here, could be there. Need a 4. 4, 4. Ah, this should be the 4. Eliminated the 3. 3 should be here. 1 box left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. 7, 8. Here, 7 or 1. So this box should be a 1 then. So the 7 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here. So the 3 should be here. The 7 goes there. Here can be 1. 5, 6, 2. 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 8, 4. About a 5. Well, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 here. So this should be the 1. This should be the 6. Need a 1, 1. Need a 1 here. So the 8 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 here. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 6, 6, need a 6 here. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 here. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 8 and a 9. 7 and an 8. So this box should be a 9. Here should be 7 and 8. We have a 7 here. This should be the 7. This should be an 8. 7, 7, 7, 8, 8. Need an 8 there. This should be a 9 then. 9, 9. Here should be the 9. Eliminated the 5. 5 should be here. This should be the 2. 2, 2, 2. Alright. 30 minutes. Wow. Cannot believe this. 30 minutes. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. 0 stars. Completely different than that one. Okay. But we solve again. I like this one, yes, I really do. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you guys for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.